What's up guys, brand new here from Dr. Maniac. So as you can see, I am spectating my friend aimbot80. His channel is aimbot80. I don't know why. So I will leave his channel's link in the description, so please go check his channel out. So yeah guys, this is not a usual video. I'm gonna show you this gameplay, but just half of it, and then some of it I played with him. So the thing I want to talk about is the knowing of your surroundings in the game, because I've seen my teammates, if you play rank with randoms, I don't think they have headphones on or earphones, whatever, but you need to get that stuff, man, to hear it if they don't have dead silence. You also need to look at your map, not like when you get in a gunfight, but like when you're playing, just see there's nobody, because where your teammate is most probably gonna be enemies to kill. So you go there and support your teammates to kill those enemies so that you can win. I'm talking about team deathmatch now. I don't know when they're gonna remove it, or they're gonna remove it, I don't know. So yeah, but it's the surroundings, man. You need to know your surroundings, where the enemy is gonna spawn. You need to learn the spawns. So you go, you're gonna play TDM. So you go to TDM and you go to TDM. You learn the spawns, man. You go in public matches. You learn the spawns, where they're gonna spawn, if you that side, and everything, guys. So I know at firing range, I will show you. At firing range, that spawns at firing range is easy to know, except if you flip the spawns. So I will show you that gameplay. But yeah guys, you need to know your surrounding. If you don't know your surrounding, you're gonna die and you're gonna let your team down. So you need to look every time where's people. You need to look around. If you're sniping, don't just camp at one spot. They're gonna come for you because they're gonna know where you are. Don't stay in one spot, move around. Don't just go at the same spot the whole time. They're gonna kill you because they're gonna know where you are. Go to a different spot. Hold the angles. Don't be in the open. That's the most thing. Everybody's running through the open. No, stay next to the wall. Stay behind cover. If you're taking gunfights, please, that will help your team. Not just you, it will help your team. Maybe you can drop a nuke if you're lucky. But yeah. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna show you this gameplay of me and my buddy. So I'm gonna leave his link in the description. Please go like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. I hope this is a great tip for you guys. If you want to see more of this stuff, please leave a comment down below and tell me. If you're watching this, you know, not the people's thinking, oh no, I am not gonna do that because somebody else is gonna leave a comment to say what to do next. No, not everybody's gonna do that. You need to, please, I'm asking you guys nicely, and please like and subscribe, man. Like, everybody thinks a like gets you money on YouTube. No, it doesn't. It doesn't get you money on YouTube. Yeah, subscribers get you money, but you need to have 1,000. If you have more than 1,000 subscribers, you don't need any more. A subscriber then counts as somebody you know is gonna come back to your channel to watch more videos. So then you're gonna get more watch time. That's gonna give you views and gonna get you money. So a like and a comment doesn't give somebody money. It just helps him with his, I don't know what, but I will help him. As you can see, I am at the back. I like the spot. It's the head glitch with the sniper. I'm using the Arctic 50. Better in scope time, quicker, everything. The LQ too slow, man. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will be trying to play with more YouTubers, but not like big YouTubers like iFrag or Bobby Blaze. No, I'm not gonna reach that stage like now. No, I don't really think so. Except if my videos blow up, man. You know, then we can play. But for now, no. So yeah, guys. Here. So hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.